Hello friend, welcome to my video. Types of makeup products. With their name and uses. First thing we need is face primer. For long-lasting makeup. Protect your skin from harmful chemicals. Next thing is foundation. Prepare base for makeup. Next step is concealer. Used to mask dark circles, age spots, long pores, small blemishes visible on skin. In the next step we used loose powder. Used to set foundation and concealer for long-lasting makeup. Next is contour bronze. Defines and shapes the structure of face to create warmth on skin. Next one is LUS. Enhance the structure of your face, enhance cheekbones. Next, highlighter. Enhance your complexion and give your skin brightener. Dewy glow. Making cheekbones look more prominent. Next is makeup brushes. Makeup brushes has different use, so you want to know about it, then comment in comment box. Next one is eyeshadow. To highlight your eyes. For contouring the eye socket. Next is eyeliner. Make the lash look lash. Change the eye shape. Mascara. Mascara. Used to enhance the eyelashes. If your eyelashes volume is less. Then using false eyelashes. NEXT is Kyard. Keep the eye cool and clean. Improve vision. Next is eyebrows gel. Eyebrows pencil. Shape up your brows, keep the brows in place. Lipstick and lip liners. Use color as you want. Makeup setting spray. Give you an airbrushes look, locks the makeup, keep makeup long lasting.